Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. Today we're diving deep into a crucial topic for any medical device company looking to enter one of Latin America's largest markets, Brazil. Specifically, we will unpack how to demonstrate compliance with Brazil's INMETRO Ordinance 384/2020. This regulation is a critical gateway, and understanding it is non-negotiable for market access. First, let's clarify the roles. Many companies are familiar with ANVISA, Brazil's National Health Surveillance Agency. ANVISA is responsible for the overall registration of medical devices. However, for a specific list of electro-medical devices, ANVISA registration is contingent upon first receiving INMETRO certification. INMETRO is the National Institute of Metrology, Quality and Technology. Its focus is on ensuring products meet specific safety and performance standards through a mandatory conformity assessment. Ordinance 384 of 2020 updated the rules for this conformity assessment, making it essential to understand the new process. So, how do you navigate this? The process begins with partnering with an INMETRO accredited certification body, or CB. This CB will be your guide and auditor throughout the certification journey. The first major step is preparing your technical documentation. This isn't just a paper-pushing exercise. Your technical file must provide comprehensive evidence that your device complies with the specific technical standards applicable in Brazil, which are often based on IEC standards. This includes detailed design specifications, risk analysis, and validation reports. A common pitfall here is assuming that documentation for FDA or CE marking is sufficient without localization. It is not. The next critical phase is the factory audit. The CB will conduct an audit of your manufacturing facility, no matter where it is located globally. This audit verifies that your quality management system, typically ISO 13485, is not only implemented, but is also consistently followed. Auditors will scrutinize production processes, quality control, and traceability records. For instance, a US-based company producing a new patient monitoring system had their audit delayed by 3 months. This happened because their documentation for component traceability was not aligned with the specific format the Brazilian auditor required, a detail they overlooked. Following a successful audit, product testing is often required. Your device will need to be tested at a laboratory accredited by INMETRO's General Coordination for Accreditation. These tests validate the safety and performance claims made in your technical file. Only after successfully completing the audit and testing will you be issued an INMETRO certificate. But you are not done yet. The certificate grants you the right to use the INMETRO Conformity Identification Seal on your product and its packaging. This seal is a visual confirmation to regulators and users that your device meets Brazil's stringent requirements. A key feature of Ordinance 384/2020 is that the certificates have indefinite validity. However, this is contingent upon successful annual maintenance. This means you will face a yearly follow-up audit from your CB to ensure ongoing compliance. Failing this annual check will invalidate your certificate and halt your market access. Successfully navigating INMETRO certification is a detailed, multi-step process that demands local expertise and meticulous preparation. For specialized guidance on securing your medtech device's entry into Brazil and other LATAM markets, contact the experts at Chen-Global. You can email us at info@chen-global.com or visit our website at chen-global.com.